Hello everyone! Today I'm on the slopes of Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe, and we are here in a beautiful historic winery to enjoy the special wine we produce in this special part of Sicily. Thanks to its volcanic soil full of minerals, the area of Mount Etna provides us the best grapes and very refined wine. Wine from Mount Etna is considered one of the best in Sicily and in all country. Barone di Villagrande, that's the name of this historic winery, is located on the southeast side of Mount Etna and is a very ancient winery. It dates back to the 1700s. This is included in all our tours of Sicily, regardless if it's a group tour, the Sicily Lovers Tour, or a custom private tour of Sicily. We highly recommend you to enjoy this amazing experience. This is one of the most special meals during our tours of Sicily, a memorable experience. They used to pair 5 courses, 5 excellent dishes, with 5 Etna wines. Barone di Villagrande Winery is included in the Robert Parker's special ranking, and if you are passionate about wines, you won't be disappointed. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. If you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs, this will be available all year round. Or if you want to join one of our group tours, the Sicily Lovers Tour. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily! Ciao!